Today, we're diving into the daily habits of some of the world's healthiest people. These habits are simple but powerful and can help you live a longer, happier, and healthier life. Let's get started. Habit number 1, eating a balanced diet. The world's healthiest people prioritize whole foods, think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. For example, in the Mediterranean diet, which is known for its health benefits, you'll find lots of fresh veggies, fish, and olive oil. Avoiding processed food and added sugars is key. Try incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet to boost your overall nutrition. Habit number 2, regular physical activity. Daily exercise is crucial. This doesn't mean you have to hit the gym for an hour. Simple activities like walking, biking, or even gardening can make a big difference. For instance, people in Okinawa, Japan walk regularly and engage in light physical activities, contributing to their longevity. Habit number 3, staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep your body functioning optimally. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. You can also drink herbal teas or add slices of fruit to your water for a tasty twist. Habit number 4, prioritizing quality sleep. Getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night is essential. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Good sleep helps with everything from mood regulation to immune function. Habit number 5, managing stress. Incorporate stress relief techniques like meditation, mindfulness, or deep breathing exercises into your day. For example, practicing 10 minutes of meditation each morning can set a positive tone for your day. Habit number 6, building strong social connections. Nurturing relationships with family and friends contributes to emotional well-being. Social support is a key factor in maintaining mental health and happiness. Habit number 7, keeping mentally stimulated. Engage in activities that challenge your brain, reading books, solving puzzles, or learning new skills. This helps keep your mind sharp and can improve cognitive function. Habit number 8, regular health checkups. Visit your healthcare provider for routine checkups and screenings. Early detection of health issues can make a big difference in treatment and overall health. Habit number 9, cultivating a positive mindset. Practice gratitude and maintain a positive outlook on life. Writing down things you're grateful for each day can improve your mood and outlook. Habit number 10, maintaining a healthy weight. Balance your diet and exercise to keep a healthy weight. This helps reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improves overall well-being. Habit number 11, moderating alcohol consumption. Many healthy individuals limit their alcohol intake or avoid it altogether to minimize health risks. Opting for non-alcoholic alternatives or moderation is a wise choice. Habit number 12, having a sense of purpose. Set personal goals and find activities that give your life meaning. Whether it's a passion project, volunteering, or pursuing a hobby, having a purpose can drive you forward and keep you motivated. There you have it, 12 daily habits of the world's healthiest people. By incorporating these habits into your routine, you can take significant steps towards a healthier and happier life. Which of these habits are you going to start today? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.